Hey guys, it's Bernie, and I'm a hippo. And today, we're going to the bank. And today, we're going to talk about a loan officer.
Let's go!
A loan officer works for a bank and helps borrowers in the loan application process. Loan officers are often called mortgage loan officers since that is the most loans that they do. But nonetheless, loan officers assist consumers with a wide variety of loans. Loan officers have a comprehensive knowledge of lending products, banking industry rules, regulations, and the required documentation for obtaining a loan.
Woo!
A loan officer assists consumers and business people in choosing the right loan product. Most loans, especially home loans, require a ton of paperwork.
Come on, man!
The loan officer is the direct contact for borrowers through the loan closing. Banks bring loan officers face to face with potential borrowers.
Whee!
The loan officer takes your ID and income and looks at your credit report for the screening process. A loan officer will not proceed with an application for someone who does not meet the lender's qualifications. The loan officer then passes the application along to the institution's underwriter, who assesses the credit worthiness of the potential borrower. If the loan is approved, then the loan officer is responsible for preparing the appropriate documentation and the loan closing documents.
So excited!
What an adventure that we had today. Today, we talked all about loan officers.
Woo!
Speak to your loan officer today and apply for a loan.
Woo!
Did you like the adventure that we went on today?
Yeah!
Subscribe to our channel and like this video to see more Animal Bank. Now, join us in our next video and see what we're going to learn next, because we're going to the bank. Let's go!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.